Hi beautiful people, it's a girl Queen and Nikki. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do this lovely jerry coil, and this is the product I'll be using, coconut luxor oil. Inside the pack we have air booster, we have neutralizer, we have coil activator, and this is the cold wave cream, and we also have shower cap and glove. So guys, let's get into the tutorial. First thing, you wash this hair before you achieve this lovely jerry coil. Make sure you wash the hair very well. Then you go ahead and portion the hair into 3 equal portions, and if you wish you can part it into 4, but this particular one I portion it into 3 portions. So guys, after the sectioning part, you go ahead and you begin to apply the cold wave cream, and that's exactly what I'm doing here right now. Can you see guys? So as you're applying it, make sure you massage it thoroughly. Welcome back to my channel, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into this channel, and if today is your first time watching any of my video, that means you are new here. Please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, this is how I keep going, applying the cold wave cream. So after massaging it thoroughly, I go ahead and massage everything together to make it just one portion. After that, I go ahead and cover it up with shower cap. So I love using 2 shower cap to do this particular jerry curl. So after that, I'm preparing my water. After covering it with the shower cap, you use your towel to cover it. Yes, we need its temperature. So after that, you leave it for like 40 minutes before you can take out the cream. So this is the hair after washing it. You wash it with lukewarm water. Yes, so after that, make sure you wash it thoroughly. After that, you go ahead and you begin to roll the hair. So make sure you comb it well after drying it with your towel. Then you apply the coil booster. After applying the coil booster, make sure you comb it well to make it fluffy. After combing it, you begin to roll the hair, and make sure you use the tiny rod. Yes, if you really want to achieve a lovely and divine coils and you want your coils to last longer, make sure you use the tiny rod. Yes, and make sure you use the same thing, like the same size. Don't miss it. Can you see guys? So now this is me trying to roll the hair. Make sure you cut it small. Like if you're doing jerry coil, you have to have enough rod. Yes, you have enough, like 6 packs, 5 to 6 packs, depend the how full your client's hair is. So that's how I keep rolling. Please let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share to your friends and family. As you all know, sharing is part of caring. Yeah, so you keep rolling it. Please, while you are trying to roll it small. Don't roll it too big, for you to be able to achieve a lovely and better coils. Can you see guys? So as you are rolling it, you keep on applying the coil booster, then you roll it with the coil booster. Can you see guys? That's how you keep going with this lovely tutorial. So if you're an OG, you know that I have this similar video in my channel, but the method is actually different because we are not using the same products. This particular product is different from the previous one. The previous one is Hollywood. Yes, why this one is coconut luxor coil. So if you are using that first one, I mean the Hollywood product, you are not meant to wash it out. You are not washing the product out. You are rolling it with the products. But this particular one, you have to wash the product out before rolling it. Please take note of that. So after rolling it, you go ahead and you apply your coil booster, the remaining one that you used to roll it. You apply it after rolling. Yes, apply it very well so that the coils will come out well. So guys, can you see after rolling it, me, I love using certain pin because I don't want to get disappointed. Any mistake from here, the client will come back in the next 3 months to repeat this particular hairstyle. So you got to be very careful. So after that, you cover it up for like 1 hour or 1.5 hours, depend on the texture of your client's hair. So after that, after the 1 hour or 1.5 hour, you go ahead and take off the products. You are using lukewarm water again. Take note, I've washed this hair for like 3 times. So after taking out the products with lukewarm water, you go ahead and you apply your neutralizer. So the neutralizer is meant to take out all the excess products that is remaining inside the hair. So after applying it, you cover it up for like 10 to 15 minutes again. Then you wash it out. You're using just lukewarm water for this process. Can you see, guys? Make sure you take all the products out of the hair. So after washing it out, you use your towel to towel dry it. Then after drying it with your towel, you go ahead and unravel the hair from the rod, and that's what I'm doing here, guys. Can you see? Just wait and see the outcome of this video. You guys will love the outcome. Yeah. So while you are rolling it, you use your scissors to trim the tips of the coils. Can you see, guys? So just pay attention, watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss any single step of doing this lovely jerry coil. Yes. So after taking the rollers out, and this is the activator that came with the product, you go ahead and you apply the activator on it. Make sure you massage it with your hand very well so that the activator will penetrate into the hair. So after that, you just use your comb. While you are trying to comb this particular coils, you use a wider comb. Can you see, guys? So you don't use tiny combs. You use a wider comb to comb it out, and you go ahead and style the hair if necessary. So you style it, and that's all about this lovely tutorial, guys. Can you see? So I'm trying to comb it out, then style it. Can you see? This is the final look of the jerry coil. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys enjoy watching, and if this video is helpful, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah.